Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 6 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 6 tan t square, number 6 and number 6. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify 3/2 and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the square root of number 6 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 6 tan t square. This one we have number 6 and the square root of number 6 tan t to the power of 3. Number 6, we can do about factorization. And this one we change by secant of t square. And now we put this one go outside. And we have number 6 with the square root of number 6 secant of t to the power of 3. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. This one and this one. So the square root of number 6 I will put outside. This one, that is about sin t over cosine t to the power of 3. This one we have 1 over cosine t. And now we need to simplify, and we have sin t to the power of 3 over cosine t square. This one I can put sin t square multiplied by sin t. Now we have the formula in here. Sin t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. So this one we have sin t square. Now I will put this one go to the right. Now I will put this one going here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. dz we have negative sin t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by z square. This one we change by z square. Sin t dt we change by negative dz. So we have 1 over z square, and z square divided by z square. So we have 1 over z square minus number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over z. This one we have z, and I will put about c. So negative, negative, and negative, we simplify. About z, that is about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 6. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. Now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.